All right, first graders, we have been working on the sound, and we've learned that ER can make and IR can make Well, today I have a new combination that I want us to learn about. So first thing I want to do is I want you to listen to my 3 words and decide what sound is the same in all 3 words, okay? The words are burn, hurt, nurse. I say, you say burn, hurt, nurse. What sound is the same in all 3 words? The sound. Yep. But when I write it out, do you see IR or ER in burn, hurt, and nurse? Nope. We have what combination? UR. We still code it with a little arc underneath. This is still a combination and it still makes that sound. Crazy thing is there is no spelling rule to help us know when to use ER, when to use IR, when to use UR. So that's why we've had lots of passages these weeks so that you can see lots of words, read lots of words, and write lots of words that have ER, IR, and UR. The more practice you have, the more reading you do, the more locked in your brain will have those different words that you'll know which one belongs to which word. Does that make sense? Kind of. All right, so we're going to get started with some sound cards, and I have added UR. It's mixed in. They must have gotten mixed up. UR is also added in here. All right, here we go together. S, A, E, tr, ow or o, st, th or th, sh, a, w, ch, k, Yep, all 3 of these make I'll have to have them mixed in for next time, huh? E, oi, oo or dr, sl, cr, sp, o, pull, cool. All right, nice job. Remember, we practice those sounds so that when we see a word that we don't know, we are able to use the sounds chunks that we see in it to be able to read it and sound it out. So it's really important that we continue to get practice with that. All right, I'm going to do some visual auditory where I write the letter sounds, or the letters. You tell me the sounds you hear. We're going to be reading a story called Burl's Burn. So I want to make sure we go over some of the words that are in that text before you read it today. Okay, so we're going to go sound by sound. Sound, sound, sound. Whole word, Burl. It's actually the name of the character in this text. I've never heard that name before, but Burl is his name. All right, next one. Sound, sound, sound. Whole word, purse. Good. Purse. Next one. I'm going to go ahead and write this whole word out because it has more than one syllable. You could dot grab, but remember a few lessons ago I taught you that this Y at the end of a word can be a suffix. And it can tell you what kind. So if I have this root word fluff, add the Y at the end and it says fluff, fluffy. Y is a great way to make that E sound at the end of a word because we know if we use just an E, it's silent and doesn't make a sound. The Y can make that E sound at the end. Fluffy. All right. Next one, we're going to do some dot grabs. You're going to see all the chunks here of sounds. And remember, every syllable has its own vowel sounds. We're going to find our vowels and dot grab. We're going to dot the vowels we see. Now, I'm not going to dot both of these because I know when an EA is together, it is a digraph. 2 vowels go a-walking. The first one does the talking. The second one does not, so it makes that E sound. Okay, so we're going to grab the consonant in front. You know what? This one, what I'm noticing is that this doesn't actually grab the way that it should. So what I'm going to show you here, instead of grabbing them, let me just write it again so it's not too hard to see. We're going to just read the chunks together, okay? So I see this first little chunk here that has a vowel sound in it, and it says dis. Good. I see AP together, and that says app. Good. We talked about how EA makes that E sound. P, ear. Read them together. Dis, app, peer. What word is that? Disappear. Good. And it has 3 syllables. Disappear. Disappear. 3 syllables. All right, next one. I wanted to show you in this word a final stable syllable that we didn't get to before we left school. So I wanted you to know what it was. When you see a T-I-O-N, it actually sounds like shun. That makes no sense at all. There's no SH there, but T-I-O-N says shun. So this one is open vowel O, lotion. Lotion. Okay? All right, last one. I have a letter in here that can make 2 different sounds. A G, it can sound like G, or it can sound like J. And remember, we know the G makes the J sound if there is an E, I, or Y after it. So we have magic. What is it? Magic. Good. How many syllables are in magic? Magic. Magic. 2 syllables. All right, now I want you to have a chance to practice using that UR combination. So I want you to grab a marker and a whiteboard or a pencil and paper and some sound chips to use to be able to do our say it, slide it, write it. Pause the video if you don't have the supplies you need and go grab them. All right, remember, it's going to have the sound in all of our words, and we're going to use that UR combination. UR today, not ER, not IR today. Okay? All right, first word I want you to build is the word fur. Segment your sounds. F, fur. Let's build it. Fur. Remember, I'm not going to just do an R. R does not say it says r. So FR would just say fr. Dogs do not have fr. Right? We want to have that UR to make it say fur. Okay, erase. Next word, let's segment the sounds in the word blur. Segment b, ul, b, ul, Let's build it. What blend makes bull? B-L, b, ul, Now, blur means to make something hard to see, makes it kind of foggy. It blur. Like you might say it blurs your vision where you can't see very well. It's a blur. Okay? All right. And last one I want us to build is a little bit... Nope, I'm not going to do the tricky one yet. I'll do an easy one first. The word is burn. Segment with me. B-er-n. Burn. Build it, and then we'll compare. Burn. All right, on the count of 3, we're going to check it. 1, 2, 3. Burn. Use that UR for the sound. Burn. Good. All right, last one is a little tricky. The word is turtle. Segment with me. T-urt-ul. Turtle. Good. Let's build it together. This one's a lot. Now what makes that tull? Final stable syllable. T-L-E, tull. Good. Our word is turtle. How many syllables are in turtle? Turtle. 2 syllables. Remember that T-L-E is a final stable syllable. And so it has another chin drop. Good. All right, now I have some sight words that I chose from our text. Remember, sight words are words that we just know like this. We do not have to sound them out. I say, you say. Want. Made. Eyes. Now look at that one. That one's tricky. Eyes. away. Hope you're reading them with me. Also, had, again, all, made, much, once, another, grew, want. All right, this time we're going to read them at the same time, so read along with me. Want, made, eyes, away, also, had, again, all, made, much, once, another, grew, want. Okay? No help from me. Which ones do you know? All right, awesome job. Enjoy reading about Burl's Burn.